YouTube? It's your girl Sonya Lauren, and I am back with another video. And in this video, I'm showing you guys how I do my nails. This is me doing my Gel X nails for the first time, and I'm super excited. So basically, I just started off by filing my nails with my nail drill, and pretty simple. So after I filed my nails, I went in with some rubbing alcohol and just cleaned all of my nails with them. You want a clean nail bed to do your nails. So after that, I went in with a nail filer and I just started shaping my natural nails, kind of giving my natural nails an almond shape, which is pretty much its natural shape. The reason being is because I knew I was going to put the Gel X on top, so I just wanted to make sure it was perfect for that. And now you guys see me going in with my cuticle tool. I don't even know what it's called, but basically I'm pushing back my cuticles, I'm cleaning my cuticles, and I am cutting my cuticles all in this clip. So you guys will see, but this is super important. You want to make sure that you push your cuticles back. It's going to make the fake nails look very much real, very much like they're coming out of your real nails. So like, yeah, I don't know if that made sense, but y'all get what I'm saying. It's gonna look very much natural, honey, and that is what we are striving for. Then I went in with this nail prep dehydrator and nail primer. Please do not skip this step. Every nail video that I have watched, they have told me not to skip this step, so I'm gonna tell y'all don't skip this step, honey. I don't know where that deep voice just came from, but whatever. Don't skip that. And then I went in with my nail glue, and basically I am going to put this all over my nail, and then I am going to put my nails underneath the UV light for about 60 seconds on both hands. And then y'all, I started to measure my nails to the tips. If you guys want to know what tips I'm using, please go watch my last video where I talked about the Gel X tips. And also check out my Amazon storefront because everything in this video will be on my Amazon storefront for you guys. So again, just sizing my nails to the tips, making sure they fit perfectly. You want to make sure they fit perfectly on both sides. You don't want a tip that's too big or too small. But if you can't find your right size, be sure to size up and then file it to your correct size. Super important. Here I am just filing the back of the tips. I don't know, I've watched a few videos and they said to do this because it lets the glue like stay on your nail or something like that. It really helps the glue to stay attached to your real nail. So I'm just doing what I read, y'all, but very much easy. And just going in with some glue on the back of that, putting a little bit extra on the bottom. This was the hardest part, oh my gosh, because you don't want to put too much glue, but you don't want to put too little glue. And I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. I have bubbles, and I am proud to say that I have bubbles because this is my first time doing nails and I didn't expect perfection. So it's okay. I'll let you guys know if they pop off or whatever everyone was saying, like, don't have bubbles, it'll pop off, blah, blah, blah. I'll let you guys know. But this was my first time, so I was like, whatever, I'll take a bubble or two. I don't care. But the goal is to put enough glue where you don't have a bubble. But y'all, it's so hard. As you can see, I kept going back and forth, trying to clean it, trying to get rid of some of that glue. It was a whole process. This was like the hardest part for me. But look, we got through it, as y'all gonna see. And we gotta keep going. We persevere on this channel, okay? So then I put it underneath the light for about, I think, 60 seconds. I cured it with the mini light, each nail, for about 30 seconds. But then I put my whole hand underneath the big light for about a minute. So super easy. I'm lying, it ain't really that easy, but it takes practice, and I'm I'm just gonna keep practicing, okay? So in this clip, I am just adding the tips to my next hand. But I do want to say I kept messing up. Like when I tell y'all, I could not figure out the right amount of glue. But as you can see, I just kept cleaning it and kept going. I did have glue left over on the nail after I cured it. And honestly, y'all, all I did was take my nail drill and file that glue off. So if you do mess up, it's a way to fix it. It's just super annoying. But like I said, it takes practice. Like this is my first time. So I'm proud of myself. Again, this is me just going back over the tips and looking to see if I had any excess glue, taking my nail drill and just filing off the excess glue. I also filed around the cuticle, not on the cuticle, right underneath it, just to make sure it was super flat right there. And again, that is going to ensure that the fake nails look like they are coming out of your own nail bed. And then I just went in with more alcohol to clean the nails because it was super dusty after I drilled my nails. Next, you guys see me using my nail clipper to clip down the nails. I didn't want them that long. Mind you, these are the medium nails, but I usually get the long ones because it's a whole thing. Like my nail bed is longer than other people's nail beds, you know, longer than the average. And so I get the longer nails and then cut them down because they just fit better for me like that. After I clipped my nails, I put both fingers on both hands side by side to be sure that I measured it correctly, just to, you know, make sure it was the same length on both sides. And look, y'all, this is the finished part of me putting on the tips. And I just went in and I filed them exactly how I wanted them. I'm super big on shape, so that was important to me. And then I went right into polishing my nails with this bubblegum pink color. And again, all of these items can be found on my Amazon storefront. So if you want to know what polish I'm using, just head over there. It is on my Amazon storefront underneath Nails on a Budget. After I got done painting, I obviously went in and I cleaned up the sides of them, and then I put my nails underneath the UV light for about 2 minutes. Y'all, I totally forgot to tell y'all that I put the gel top coat on top of the pink polish. I totally forgot that I did it off camera because I was getting so irritated. It took me so long to paint my nails. It's just me being honest with y'all because I kept having to start over because I like messed up or made the polish too thick or like whatever the case. So I did put the gel top coat on after I put the pink polish, and then I put it underneath the light for 2 minutes. Just wanted to clear that up because I know somebody gonna comment like, wait, did you put the gel top coat? Yes, I did. Sorry, I did not get it on camera, but it happened. And this is the final look, y'all. Comment down below what y'all think. No, I did not do any designs because I just felt like I didn't need to. I love this bubblegum color. Also, I tried to do French tip and I almost drove myself insane. I definitely need more practice. But comment down below. Be sure to subscribe if you guys enjoyed this video, and more nails videos coming soon. Be sure to let me know how do you guys think I did on my very first time doing Gel X nails. I think I did a pretty good job. I'm looking at my nails right now while I'm editing and I'm like, I'll take it. Okay, I'll take it any day over spending hella money at the nail shop. I can get better at this and save money, bro. Like, this year is all about road to luxury, which means saving money. But I love you guys so much. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Cause I'm the MVP, most valuable. Cause I'm the MVP, most valuable. Yeah, I'm the MVP, most valuable player, That's who I be.